Hello, sir. Okay. Okay, so waiting for more people to join in. Yeah, hello everybody who's joining in. We'll begin the session as soon as we have an ample amount of people with us. And today we are hosting a really special guest with us. So stay tuned till more people join in and then we'll begin. Okay, till the time the people who are watching me right now or listening to me right now, Chow Foundation have a really good news to share with all of you. And the good news will be told to all of you today at 7 p.m. Today at 7 p.m. after an hour on Facebook Live. So yeah, stay tuned till then with us. हमारे पास एक बहुत ही अच्छी न्यूज़ है आप सबको बताने के लिए, तो आप लोग प्लीज़ फेसबुक पे 7 बजे ट्यून इन करिए, हमें सुनिए कि वो गुड न्यूज़ क्या है, एंड आई होप आप सबको वो चीज़ें बहुत पसंद आएंगी. Okay, so we have a guest for today. I'll just join. Okay, so you need to join at 7:15 today.
I think I have, yeah, sorry.
Hello,
It,
ma'am. Good
hi,
evening.
hi. Thank you so much for inviting me. Sorry,
Yeah,
it took
thank
a
you for
second to
joining.
figure things out.
That's absolutely fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. You look so pretty.
Thank you so much. So are you looking?
Oh,
Okay,
thank you.
okay. So I'll take a moment to introduce you to our viewers.
Sure.
So, yeah. So today we have on board with us Miss Shovana Karmakar. Ma'am is Ma'am is a freelance commercial photographer based in Mumbai with a keen eye for design and visual arts. Ma'am has completed her bachelor's degree and in fine arts from Kala Bhavan Shanti Niketan and a foundation in design from MIT Pune. Ma'am then pursued her passion for visual arts through photography. Ma'am is popular for her self portraits and cinemagraphs. She has been featured on Creative, Your Story, and Get Inspired magazine. As a visual artist, Ma'am is open to experiments with art and focuses on intermixing technology with visual aesthetics through her work. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining in today.
Oh my God, that's like my entire life का चिट्ठा विट्ठा.
Okay, okay.
मतलब
So,
इतना क्लाइंट
yeah.
क्लाइंट भी नहीं पूछता है. क्या मतलब what are your qualifications anyway?
Yeah, so we have done a lot of research. That's why we came up with such a nice introduction, and that too for you. I believe it's really less whatever I've said.
I think
Okay,
I
so
have to accomplish a lot in life. I have not
yeah,
yet
yeah.
done much.
No, you really have accomplished, and you will accomplish more. Okay, so now, yeah, I have a question for you. So first of
Yeah.
all, I would like to know how your journey has been being a freelance commercial photographer.
Okay. There has been a lot of myth that being a freelance and a male photographer, this is gender bias. Being in Bombay,
Yeah.
I have never ever faced this discrimination ever. It has always been a fight between the kind of work I have done and the kind of money I'm charging. So the journey has been very enlightening and learning. मतलब बहुत कुछ सीखने को है, पेशेंस सीखने को है, लोगों को filter out करने को है. In a sense, you learn gradually how to filter out people. You learn
Yeah.
gradually who is worth to keep, who is worth to work for, and whom you can just entertain as a side munch. In a sense,
Yeah.
नींबू पानी के साथ आप finger fries लेते हो. So it's up to you whom you want to give attention to. Um, and then I've met really nice people in the past 6 years. Really nice people. Like I met my best friend out of nowhere, and he has been the best person I can ever be with.
Yeah.
Uh, there have been things which were not nice, but it's a part and parcel of being a freelancer. Sometimes you're out of work, and sometimes you get clients who are not very nice to you, and sometimes there are clients who really appreciate to make you a part of their venture, because you have to understand everybody is investing in your talent. We don't have product, but we have services. I'm a person who is selling a service. I'm a person who's selling a skill, being a photographer, and my experience is what is going to bring benefit and some add-on to their services, what they are targeting to their clients. So I'm lucky enough to get opportunity by a lot of national and international clients. And मुफ्त में घूमने को कौन नहीं चाहता है?
Definitely. Okay. Okay, so next I have is, as I've gone through your talk, you have mentioned there that you have been misunderstood by a lot of people regarding your nationality. So, what would you like to say on that part or phase of your life?
Okay, first thing first, we are a country which is not discovered yet. A lot of people have not discovered a lot of places. So
Yeah,
we are very used to what we see on day-to-day life.
definitely.
Let's go back to 19 or the era of 2000 when the foreigners just started coming to India. So we just started getting accustomed, but not even accustomed. We were a little astonished to see, अरे इनका गोरा चमड़ा है, अरे इनके भूरे बाल
Definitely.
है. And I sadly fell into that category. Sadly, there was nobody to tell me that there's nothing wrong with you. And you know, when constantly people are like appointing you, are you a Christian? Like things really went religious. Are you a
Yeah,
Christian? Are you a Jew? Are you this? Are you that? It took a long, long time to finally come across people who said, no, there's nothing wrong with you. It's just people who are habitual of seeing like uh, we are very used to see a tomato red. If we
yeah,
see a black tomato, there will be a blast in the market. अरे टमाटर काला भी
definitely.
आता है. But honestly, that kala
True.
tomato is very, very common in some other country.
Yeah,
So I suffered with like that kala tomato. Matlab, some people hated it, some people liked it, but I was always in a turmoil. And then eventually, a happy ending. I came across really good people who helped me to understand it's okay to be who you are, and the next step, just go for people who accept you the way you are.
definitely. Okay. So now you are having this amazing, amazing confidence. So I would really like to ask you, so what does motivates you to be this way now from that phase of your life to now?
That's an interesting question. What motivates me? Um, People. At the end, we are human beings. We are Homo
Yeah,
sapiens who are supposed to live in a community. We look for validity. We are prone to rejection. A lot of ups and downs. I think and people who accepted me the way I am eventually boosted that there's nothing wrong with me and I can be the way I am. It's totally fine. Matlab, now I enjoy being a foreigner in my own land. Like I go to a
yeah.
shop and there was this very funny incident where I said "Dudhi ko Loki," like Bombay people call "Dudhi Dudhi," and I said "Bhaiya Loki kaise kitna hai?" And he was literally like emotional as hell. Ma'am, आपने इसको Loki बोला. I was like, yeah. मैंने कितने दिनों बाद Loki सुना. Like it's Loki, man. Why are you getting emotional like anything? It's like, मैम आप यहाँ की नहीं है. Like no, I'm from UP. मैम आप यूपी की है. Like मुझे लगा आप बाहर से आई है. मतलब बस एलियन हूँ मैं. तुमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मैं हर जगह का रूप ले लेती हूँ. So now, surprisingly, there's a less of people passing comment. Yes, people do pass comment.
Yeah,
Hey, निग्गा जा रहा है, ये जा रहा है. But that has reduced to like 10%. It's like out of 10 incidents, there's one incident which is not exactly very great. But out of that, people are now more friendly. Like the moment I've been to Lucknow and the moment because I am from UP and but
yeah,
I was born and brought up in Mirzapur. I'm a Bengali, I'm from Calcutta, but born and brought up in Mirzapur. That Hindi, UP people can judge like dude, ये तो यहीं की है. मतलब इसकी हिंदी यहीं की है. So they are like, आप यहाँ की है? At a sudden they're so curious. They try to loot, but they're like, भाई तुम्हारे गांव के अपने गांव वालों को लूटोगे कैसे चलेगा? So at a sudden they're like on the flow. So now it has become a part of being comfortable with someone. I am more friendly to people. People are more friendly to me being somebody who doesn't look like Indian. They're like, ये देश वाले लोग ना मतलब चोरी वाले हैं. आप लोग अच्छे होते हो. हाँ, मन में सोच रही मैं भी यही की हूँ.
okay. That
So,
was a great experience. Yeah.
being a foreigner, India has both the plus point and negative points. Being in Bombay, the plus point is Bombay has been a very cosmopolitan area,
Yeah.
and people from all over the world has come to this part, and everybody is mixed. They're kind of used to it. You know, you are used to seeing Africans, you're used to see Russians, you are used to see Australian. But if you go a little inside the villages, little curious. They're like, "Oh, you come from National Geographic." Like, yeah, like because now you have to understand that urbanization has blasted this TV, this channels.
Yeah.
Everybody is aware of some or the other. They are now getting adapted to people who doesn't look Indian or South Asian.
Yeah. Definitely.
So things are now changing.
Yeah, okay. So most of the people like nowadays they pass comments, they don't realize what the other person is feeling. Like body shaming is getting so common these days, they don't realize what they are speaking. So what's the most effective way according to you to stop this body shaming?
Okay, sadly there is a way to stop it is from the parents itself. Grooming of a child from the very first day has to be done in such a positive way. Like I just had my nephew in January. I'm a passive parent to him henceforth. It's my responsibility being a female passive parent, like a bua, to
Yeah,
tell him you're going to grow as a man. You don't owe somebody, nobody owes you.
yeah,
You are a human being, she or he is a human being. The way to decrease it, let's say flatten the curve, the new term, is to expose people to as many variations as possible. Sadly, we are a country, we are not very well traveled, sadly. Matlab,
yeah,
we feel
that's
traveling
so true.
from traveling 17 kilometers is like I've seen the entire world.
Yeah,
Like the world is more than 2,000 kilometers for your information. It's more than 14,000 kilometers for your information. So, um, a lot of financial constraints, social issues. People can be very well educated, IIM, IIT, and still they have
yeah,
stigmas about a lot of things. So it is just going to not eradicate, but you can reduce. And again, it depends upon you let the child go into the school, he is in his own zone. But I think it has to start from the phase where the child is just a wet clay who can get mold the way it wants. When it comes to people who are already grown up, uh, it's a wastage of putting your effort to make them understand. गधे को कोई समझा नहीं सकता, गधा गधा ही है. Ignore them. Get hold of people who accept you.
yeah, that's so
And
true.
social bullying is a part and parcel of being on social media. Ignore it.
Yeah,
Just have 2 3 good people in your life who accept you the way you are. Hang on to them. Matlab, it's totally fine. Like as we age, as we are progressing, I think we are getting prone to less people who are close to us in our life.
yeah,
So there is no perfect solution to stop it. It's a combination of if I'm talking about people of our age group or the teenagers, it's up to them. Ignore it. Start learning how to ignore. It's not easy to ignore. You are human being. You are a human. You are emotional. You get affected. So start learning how to ignore it. Parents should be aware of thing called therapy. Uh, Therapy or any social guidance, any emotional guidance is an amazing thing to boost anybody's confidence. So, um, I think if a child is going through a mental issue of not getting accepted, we teenage is a time when we don't accept our parents the way they are. They are like F with us, like dude ये बच्चा तो मतलब दूसरा ही जन्नत से आया है. But dude, it's your own child. Everybody goes through a phase. Therapy is one way to deal. I think that is one way to deal, and the other is just start molding a person from the scratch. So
yeah,
everybody starts molding people from the scratch. I think things will start. We can look forward to, but it will take next 2 3 generations. It was always there. Now with the social
yeah,
media has just increased. Everybody is more vocal about it. But talking too much and thinking about it too much also hampers a lot. It is effective, it is therapeutic, but at the same time, it can be very hampering.
yeah. Okay. So now we have one question from a viewer. इंडिया में अपर कास्ट और बाहर के देशों में गोरे काले जैसे सामाजिक धारणा है, क्या लगता है आप लोगों को कभी ख़त्म होगा इस धरती से ये सब? प्लीज़ इस पे कुछ बोलें. या व्हाट्स योर
नहीं.
टेक ऑन इट?
I think it's always going to be a war of people with different theories. चलिए हिंदी में बोल लेती हूँ. I think उन्होंने हिंदी में लिखा है. ये रहेगा और इसको मिटाना बहुत बहुत इजी नहीं होगा. मिटाना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, लेकिन ये आपके मानसिक धारणा पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप दूसरों को कैसे देखते हैं, फिर दूसरों को आप कैसे एडुकेट करते हैं कि वो दूसरों को कैसे देखे. इट्स अ चेन रिएक्शन. आप एक दूसरे को कैसे बिहेव करते हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है. हाँ, कुछ लोग आपको नहीं मानेंगे. अमीर रहेगा. अमीर, हर इंसान की एक चाहत होती है. अभी सक्सेस का मीनिंग, मतलब मैं जिंदगी में कुछ कर चुका हूँ, इसका जो मीनिंग है ये बहुत अलग हो चुका है. किसी के लिए खुश रहना एक मीनिंग है, किसी के लिए बहुत पैसे कमाना एक मीनिंग है. सो आई फियर इट विल गो अवे. मतलब मुझे पर्सनली मुझे नहीं लगता ये जाने वाला है. सो
Yeah,
यू हैव टू फाइंड योर ओन वे.
definitely. You need to find your own way through it.
Yes.
Okay, my next question is, what's confidence and self-acceptance according to you? What do you feel about it?
It's a self therapy which you have to do. uh, like one of the exercises which I have came across is every day in the morning you stand in front of the mirror and you say like I love myself. That's one way, but validation हम सब खोजते हैं.
Definitely.
So I think one of the things which we don't do is we don't expose ourselves to variations. We are very restricted to our taste. Experiment, open food, culture, people, go to a barber shop, sit there, ask how he is. You never know, he can even become your good friend and he can give you a good haircut which will be like, dude, it looks good on me. It's a self therapy. Time लगता है. मतलब एक झटके में नहीं हो सकता. मतलब ये कोई दवाई नहीं है कि आपने पॉप इन किया और ठीक हो गए. साइकोलॉजिकल एनालिसिस, साइकोथेरेपी बहुत टाइम लेता है और इसमें बहुत हद तक डिपेंड करता है आप कैसे लोगों को अपने लाइफ में आने देते हो.
Yeah.
जरूरी नहीं है कि बहुत पढ़ा लिखा इंसान ही आपको अच्छा गाइडेंस दे. जो शायद एक ही टपरी में बैठा है लेकिन उसने 100 लोगों के साथ बातचीत की, उसके एक्सपीरियंसेस उस पढ़े लिखे इंसान से ज्यादा होंगे. सो ठीक है, एक आप रोज एक चाय पीने की आदत डालिए, बोले भाई शक्कर मत दो, मेरी चाय बना लो, बात करो उससे. लाइक आई ऑल्सो एंड अप टॉकिंग टू अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स लाइक दैट. मतलब आप यही सोचिए कि अभी ये जो कॉन्फिडेंस है ना बहुत सब्जेक्टिव है. कुछ के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस होता है अ सिक्स पैक बॉडी, कुछ के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस होता है मेरे शक्ल पे कोई दाग नहीं है, कुछ के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैं वियर्ड हूँ, कुछ के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस है कि आई केम आउट ऑफ माई सेक्सुअलिटी, कि आई एम क्वेयर, आई एम बाइसेक्सुअल, आई एम एसेक्सुअल, आई एम बाइक्यूरियस और वट एवर इट इज. इट्स टोटली फाइन. आई थिंक एक्सेप्टिंग योर सेल्फ इज टफ. It's possible. It takes time. Take one step at a time. Matlab, look for people who accept you. It really helps you a lot in long run.
Yeah. Okay. So as I was going through your Instagram profile, there were absolutely stunning pictures you have clicked, and through one of your caption, I have a question for you.
Okay.
So there was a caption in which you have mentioned that let me be honest, I'm at present am looking for a position where I can find myself worth all the effort I've put so far. This you have mentioned in a caption. So the question on this is like, now do you think you have reached that position which was worth all of your efforts throughout your journey?
The reality is the expectations in life keeps changing. You reach one step of the staircase and then you want to step a little more. I'm totally fine wherever I've reached. I think my efforts have given me the fruits. I cannot insult what I'm always grateful. with the both kind of clients who have accepted me, paid me well, treated me well, clients who have literally insulted me on my face. Totally fine. I think I've learned so much than doing a 9 to 5 job. So it's I think okay, one phase is done. There will be a very nice gradation to come to the next level. So it's 50-50. I am totally fine wherever I am, and I am greedy to grab a little more.
Yeah, okay. I think that's the case with many people these days. They achieve
No,
something, then they are willing to achieve something more. Yeah.
some want to go to Himachal and settle there and be in the jungle and मतलब तानपुरा बजाएंगे. It's okay, totally fine. That's the thing. It's very subjective.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay, somebody has question.
या इंडिया में नारी पे हो रहे अत्याचार पे कुछ बोलें आप. क्या पुरुषों के द्वारा किए जाने वाला मानसिक बीमारी है कुछ पुरुषों को छोड़कर? बोलें कुछ आप इस पर.
ओके, पहली बात तो ये है कि ये एक अजीब सी परंपरा चल रही है हमारे सोसाइटी में. जरूरी नहीं है ये सिर्फ गांव में हो रही है, ये काफी शहरों में भी हो रही है. मैंने काफी जो वास्तविक तरीके से काफी धनी लोग हैं उनके जीवन में भी देखा है कि महिला उतनी खुश नहीं है. ये एक अपब्रिंगिंग है उनके माँ बाप के थ्रू कि एक लड़का होने का मतलब है तुम बहुत सारी चीजों पे हक जमाते हो. तो ये एक मानसिक अपब्रिंगिंग है. इसे मानसिक असंतुलन नहीं कह सकते. मैं साइकाइट्रिस्ट नहीं हूँ, बट मेरे व्यू से बिकॉज आई बीन ब्रॉट एंड ब्रॉट अप, मतलब मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे एक लड़के की तरह बड़ा किया. लड़के की तरह भी बड़ा नहीं किया. ही हैज नेवर, उन्होंने मेरे विंग्स को कभी काटा नहीं. तुमको जो करना है करो, तुमको रिस्क लेना है लो, तुमको कहीं जाना है जाओ. तो मैं लकी हूँ, दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से. बट अगेन कमिंग बैक टू द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, बचपन से ये शुरू होता है. आप किसी महिला को हमेशा बताते रहोगे कि महिला ये हो है, लड़की ये करनी चाहिए, लड़की वो नहीं. एक इंसान की तरह ट्रीट करो ना. जेंडर आपने ना डिसाइड किया ना किसी ने डिसाइड किया है. दोनों के स्ट्रेंथ सेम है. सो अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि काफी महिलाओं का एक इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम भी होता है कि वो छोड़ के जाए किधर. फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम भी होता है, छोड़ के जाए किधर. तो द ओनली वे इज टू मेक देम अवेयर ऑफ द स्किल. मतलब ऐसा कुछ काम या कार्य जो वो कर सके और वो आत्मनिर्भर हो सके. बट सोसाइटी भी वैसी है ना. मतलब ये बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स मानसिक प्रॉब्लम है. हम लोगों को निडर नहीं बनाया जाता. हम सब डरे हुए रहते हैं हमेशा. सोसाइटी क्या बोलेगा, मैं जीऊंगा कि नहीं जीऊंगा, कुछ होगा कि नहीं होगा. तो टाइम लगता है. अब इसको इरेडिकेट करना सेम थिंग. आइदर यू स्टार्ट डूइंग एन लाइक ट्रेनिंग. इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप अपने सारे पैसे लुटा दो, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल बाय अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. बट किसी को वोकेशनल वन ट्रेनिंग, अगर आप एक इंसान को भी ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हो, यू हैव डन अ लॉट फ्रॉम योर साइड. सो अगर आपके रीच में है तो कीजिए. बट अदरवाइज some people are unfortunate to suffer with it. Like, I'm not saying that it's a good thing, but it's not possible with so much of people around to reach out everyone. It's a struggle. कोई फिजिकल स्ट्रगल से गुजर रहा है, कोई मेंटल स्ट्रगल से गुजर रहा है. सो उनके लिए मैसेज यही है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आप किसी को हेल्प कर सकते हैं आत्मनिर्भर या उनके स्किल और उनके पोटेंशियल को जानने की, तो कीजिए. Paisa is an important factor. Don't try to make yourself a beggar in the search of helping somebody else. Then you will be in the same position. And if you have a child, be it a girl, be it a boy, be it a trans, treat him, her as a human being. Everybody has a brain, and the brain doesn't have a gender.
Yeah.
So just treat everybody as a human being. We need to treat everybody as a human being at this present point of time, which is not happening. That's where all the issues, when it comes to body shaming, when it comes to domestic violence, when it comes to emotional violence, physical violence, sexual violence, we have kind of stopped treating people as human beings, be it even an animal.
Yeah.
हम एक अपने जगत में बैठे हैं, मतलब हमको भी खुद भी नहीं पता हम कर क्या रहे हैं। हमको लगता है कि हम जो कर रहे हैं सब सही कर रहे हैं,
सही
लेकिन
है।
लोगों को थेरेपी की बहुत जरूरत है। बट वो भी एक्सेप्ट करना एक कला होती है, कुछ लोग नहीं एक्सेप्ट करते। बट
डेफिनेटली।
या तो आप सेफ रहें, या तो आप पंगा लें और टेक इट हार्ड, लाइक गिव इट बैक।
या
बट
ओके।
trust me, we as anybody, especially human beings, because we are the dangerous animal on this planet, we need to be empathetic about people, about organisms, about planet, about anything more than
Agreed.
ever.
Okay. So now we have a question. How did you find your art in you?
A part of it was always there in me, and a part of is dedicated to my destiny, which brought me to a design school and an art school and people who supported my drawing skills and everything. And a part goes to my intuition, where I thought I am good at it. I am exposed to different kind of visual, audio, performance art. If I am not liking it, totally fine.
Yeah.
Even I may have my likes and dislikes, but I try to understand. हर चीज को समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। आपको पसंद आए नहीं आए, आपको कोई खाना पसंद नहीं आया, आप एक बार ट्राई करो।
ट्राई कर सकते हैं।
ट्राई करो। आफ्टर दैट have a very neutral opinion. I think neutral opinion helps a lot than having a very strong thing. अरे मुझे तो ये सबसे घटिया लगता है, मतलब इट्स अ वेरी थिंग। अगर घटिया लगता है तो मार्केट में चल कैसे रहा है? There is a public and there is
Yeah.
a customer
You are liking it.
who are liking it. Just because you didn't like it, it doesn't mean it has to be out of the market. Like
Yeah.
करेला, a lot of people love करेला, but एक इंसान, मतलब I think such people should just shut up. तुमको पसंद नहीं है ना, बस उसको लेके नारे मत लगाओ। Like don't go and just go on a war. I don't like करेला. It's okay, fine, dude, just chill.
ओके। मैम आपने सही कहा, सोसाइटी हमेशा गर्ल्स को दबा के रखते हैं, उनको हमेशा कल्चर के लिए समझाया जाता है। आई गेस ये लिखना चाह रही है वो।
मतलब even girls, guys को भी दबाया जाता है। Let me be honest.
Yeah. Okay. So my next question is for you is, have you ever thought that you'd be doing photography, or it just came by destiny or by chance? It just happened.
It just came by destiny. I wanted to be a sniper in Indian Army.
Okay.
I always wanted to join Indian Army, but it just happened that I ended up being in Bombay and being a photographer. I have no answer to it. I do think about it from time to time, but
Yeah.
yes, मतलब अभी भी मुझे कोई एक्शन फिल्म दे दो ना, like Marvel, like मार रहे, मतलब मारो लोगों को एकदम।
Okay, that's great to hear. Okay. So, ma'am, I wanted to say I've seen all your pictures, and that one particular picture speaks 1,000 words. I have observed this. So, I really want to ask you, what has inspired you to just come up with such innovative ideas in that one particular picture? I really feel it speaks thousands of words. I've seen all of your pictures, and it's like कुछ अलग होता है उसमें, लाइक एक चीज नहीं बता रही होती वो पिक्चर, काफी चीजें होती है।
कौन से पिक्चर?
नो, नॉट, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वन पिक्चर,
In general,
सारी। हाँ, इन जनरल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट
I'm very sensitive to my intuition. Uh, it's like meditation. You have to practice your intuition a lot, be it a man or be it a woman. And I have literally tried to taste everything. Be it being an art history student, I love some painters. And like Van Gogh, a lot of people don't know Van Gogh. Van Gogh is a mastermind, especially when he went psycho, when he underwent a lot of psychoanalytic problem. But बंदे की पेंटिंग कोई और देखेगा ना, बोला ये तो मेरा बच्चा भी कर सकता है। मैं भी वही सोचती थी, सच्ची बताओ तो, जब मैंने पहली टाइम उसका पेंटिंग लिया, ये क्या है? बट यू नो ग्रेजुअली फिर लगा कि यार नहीं, इसके काम में मैथमेटिक्स, टेक्निक, पिक्सेलेशन, फिजिक्स, बहुत कुछ है। लाइक what the hell, this guy is thinking 100 years ahead of him. So that's what I realized, that I need to taste different things, and maybe that when I practice so much of things subconsciously, वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे काम में आ जाता है. मतलब there is a huge difference between my
Yeah.
commercial work and my personal work, but uh, in my personal work, a lot of subconscious activity do play a role. मतलब इंट्यूशन, कभी कभी आई लेट लूज, लेट इट हैपन. कोई बच्चा अगर फ्रेम में आ भी जाता है, इट्स टोटली फाइन. कोई बुढ़ा आके मेरे पास बैठना चाहता है फोटो में, इट्स टोटली फाइन. लॉट ऑफ माई पिक्चर्स, ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ माई पिक्चर्स आर वेरी इंट्यूशन बेस्ड, वेरी एक्सीडेंटल.
Okay.
इट वॉज नेवर फ्रेम्ड.
Okay. Okay. We have a question here, ma'am. What do you like most? What are your hobbies?
Okay, because I said I wanted to be in Indian Army, I am right now practicing Muay Thai. I go for a long distance cycling, which can range somewhere around 80 to 160 kilometers. वर्कआउट करना अच्छा लगता है, मेडिटेशन करना अच्छा लगता है, किताबें पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, मटन बिरयानी बनाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That's the only thing which I can make the good way. My hobbies, photography is now no more a hobby. It's more like a second muscle memory now. It just comes now. I don't have to try to do it. बहुत लोगों के लिए ट्राई करना पड़ता है, देखो, बट नाउ सबकॉन्शियसली वो एक सेकंड नेचर हो गया है. एंड व्हाट एल्स, आई लव गैजेट्स बट आई एम नॉट अ गैजेट फ्रीक.
Okay. Okay. So we have a question here. What's your favorite photography genre?
Surrealism. I like mixing reality in lot of permutation and combination so that I can bring a fresh perspective. There's nothing called original. We keep
Yeah.
on rewinding and recycling our ideas. So I just like it. Yeah, and I'm right now practicing with a bit of motion graphics into it. To
Okay.
because that's what the demand is right now. Attention span is going shorter and shorter. So you have to bring something different for the people to stare a little longer.
Yeah. Okay. So next up question we have, what according to you do women want with their bodies?
Like, I didn't get the question.
Yeah, it's like what do you think that women want to be said about their bodies? Like what would be that thing कि अगर ये चीज़ें इंसान बोल रहा है मेरे बारे में तो ये सही है, अगर कुछ नेगेटिव हो रहा है तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. It is like कि what according to you do women want with their bodies to be spoken about?
To accept the way they are.
Yeah.
Just like the way I am. But yes, I can be a little controversial. This body positivity has certain limit.
Yeah.
Like पतला होने का भी एक लिमिट होता है. You can't just start showing your bones to show you are fit. You're not fit.
Yeah.
And fitness is a combination of a lot of things, especially your mind. So आप chubby हो, voluptuous हो, totally fine. I think it's totally attractive. But don't just bombard yourself with so much of unhealthy stuff and unhealthy practices. That will impact your health. Then you're not healthy. So body positivity का भी एक limit होता है. Don't go like 100 to 100 kgs and call yourself. I know people will hate me, but totally fine. But I was fat. I was really, really fat. I lost. I gained I became comfortable. It's like बाल कटवाने के बाद आपका सर हल्का लगता है, right? हाँ, आप सिर्फ बॉडी में अनवांटेड चीजें इकट्ठा कर रहे हो. उससे कोई आपको बॉडी शेम करे, डोंट गेट बॉदर्ड. बट देन योर बॉडी विल बॉदरिंग यू, देन यू कांट गेट रिड ऑफ इट. लाइक आप नहीं भाग सकता अपना बॉडी छोड़ के. सो बॉडी पॉजिटिव का मतलब नहीं 200-300 किलो मतलब ऊपर चढ़ा लो. देयर इज अ लिमिट.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, Sanya is saying here, I'm curious, who's your favorite artist?
Van Gogh, anytime. Van Gogh.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, in today's scenario, no matter how much work you have done professionally, but there will be people who will be like taunting you on your physical appearance. They'll be talking about your physical appearance, no matter how much work you have done. So, what's your take on this?
बोलने दो. आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम
Yeah.
स्टार्ट लिविंग फॉर योरसेल्फ. बोलने दो. एक बार बोलेगा, 2 बार बोलेगा, 3 बार बोलेगा, बोल के वो खुद ही थक जाएगा. फिर बोलेगा इसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बोलने दो, लिटरली बोलने दो. Even I think when I stopped reacting to people, I found the peace in me, and they were scared of me more than when I reacted to them.
Yeah.
So there are two ways I react to people. If somebody says, "Are ये तो African दिखती है," so mine is like, "Kao bhaiya, sab theek hai," and the guy is like, "Holy mother, like what the hell just happened?" Okay.
Yeah.
And sometimes like, okay, it's totally fine. And I have been approached in Chennai airport because they thought I'm an actor from Black Panther. They were like, can you do Wakanda Forever? And there was this, I think he was a
Okay.
10-year-old, 7, 8-year-old kid. He was just enthusiastic about an African in Chennai airport. Like, ma'am,
Yeah.
Wakanda Forever. It's like, okay, Wakanda Forever. And they're like, he's a big fan.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
I don't know who he is thinking me to be in the film, but totally fine. And there have been people who are like, ma'am, आपका इंडियन पासपोर्ट वैलिड नहीं है. नहीं नहीं, तुम्हारा गवर्नमेंट तो गधा है ना, किसी को भी पासपोर्ट दे रहा है आजकल. मतलब पासपोर्ट कलेक्शन का तो अभी आजकल शौक चढ़ गया है. मैं तो ऐसे पासपोर्ट लेके घूम रही हूँ. And there have been incidents where people have been very mean. Like ये लोग यहाँ आके हमारा कल्चर बर्बाद कर देते हैं. अरे ठीक है, साफ करने का जिम्मा तो तुम लेके रखे हो ना, साफ करो. So the guy is like, dude, she just responded. Hindi has such a power. Like if you know Hindi,
Yeah.
and if you if you want to reply to someone, learn to be sarcastic.
Yeah.
You hold the power in your hand. Just learn. Don't try to tell them तुमको क्या problem है. नहीं 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 नहीं. Tell them, हाँ मैं हूँ, मैं African. At least मैं international दिखती हूँ. तुम तो भैया, तुमसे खूबसूरत तो मेरी काम वाली बाई दिखती है.
Definitely.
You know, you have to be sarcastic. Learn how to be sarcastic. It keeps your power in your hand.
Okay. We have a question here. Your favorite surrealist artist? Also, why?
Favorite surrealist artist, it keeps changing. Who was my recent? There's a guy called Joel. You can check him on Instagram. I think I love the fact that he mixes collage and motion graphics. Dali is a little overrated for me. There are many. I think right now I don't categorize. Who else? I think you should, if you're looking for surrealist artists, look for people who are doing collage. Just search. There are now millions and millions of people who are doing great work. There's no one person via him I get inspired. There are a lot of people who it's like copy everybody, and then at the end you come up with something which belongs to you.
Yeah.
So nobody can say you stole from
You
somebody.
stole from somebody.
हाँ, कि किसी को समझ में नहीं आता कौन सा पार्ट कहाँ से लिया है.
Definitely. Okay, we have one of a survivor here, Anshu ma'am. She's saying, I love your confident.
Thank you so much. But it's if she's a survivor, all I can say that she has a lot more to teach us, because she must be facing a lot more things than I think. मतलब मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है उनके सामने. It's not the facing that she has to go through what other people are staring or whatever, oogling or whatever. But a lot of inner demons keeps on criticizing us.
Yeah. Okay, we have Alok sir over here. He's saying, कमाल हैं आप सच में. Okay.
सर आप चले मिलते हैं, चाय पकोड़ा खाने का भी मौसम है.
Okay, we have one more question from a survivor. She's saying, ma'am, what have you tried to do in lockdown?
Meditate, eat good. That's the only thing which brings me happiness. And study and try to be as active. Like I think lockdown is not a period where you can relax. It's a good Tinkerbell to think. We are prone to a lot of things. We as a generation, we are prone to lot of things than ever before. मतलब हमारे पेरेंट्स के लिए ठीक है, अगले 20 साल 30 साल झेल लेंगे, उसके बाद तो टपकना ही है. But now we are a generation, and the generation behind is going to be prone to a lot of economic recession. It's not going to happen very often, but it's going to happen. So you have to plan your things. And we are going to be prone with natural disasters. So right now, I think as a lockdown is a very good awakening. things are not going to be the same. You have to think beyond what you're doing. You have to be very practical. And it's even a good thing that start giving to people. Start giving to anybody. It's not even people. Like if
Yeah.
you see there's a dog on the street, feed him every day. It's totally fine. Uh, Karma will save. It's very subjective. Karma is for a lot of people is subjective, but I think earning a lot of karma will save you a lot. So
Yeah.
I have a thing. I don't feed to beggars. I don't feed to people who doesn't do things for themselves. I think उनके लिए एक shortcut बन गया है कि मुफ्त का
There's
पैसा आ
no
रहा है.
reason. Yeah.
There's no reason to work. I think I am more than happy to, and I try to do it once in a week. If I see a bunch of migrant workers working in some corner of the road, fixing some sewage or wires or telephone, I just buy a bunch of bananas and bread, give one to each of them, and they don't have to say me thank you. Totally fine. I think I did a bit of me what I can do from my pocket.
Yeah. Okay, we have a question here. How do you look our Indian tradition with respect to feminism?
How do you look at Indian tradition? Our Indian tradition has a lot of positive things, but it's been distorted so badly. Like, मतलब माँ कसम कुछ कुछ चीजें मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि कहाँ से सीख के आए हो. If you really go back to Vedas, I have not studied Vedas, but thanks to a lot of books which I study, women were being like it's like दुर्गा की पूजा करते हैं और हम घर में मतलब and it's a reality with a lot of people. It's not
Yeah.
this one the kind of family I belong to, it's just 1%. But I have seen my mother has been one. मतलब पूजा करेंगे हम देवियों की और यहाँ उन्हीं की भजिया बनाएंगे.
Yeah.
Getting it? So it's been distorted. It's been distorted. The only way to fix it, start studying your own history. We have to study our history, like not school history. School history is NCERT is very subjective. वो आपको वहीं बोलता है पढ़ने को जो आपके करिकुलम के हिसाब से अच्छा है. Start teaching your kids yourself. And I'm very sorry, grandpa grandma का कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. उनको उनके ख्यालों में रहने दो.
Yeah.
उनको उनके ख्यालों में रहने दो. उनसे फाइट करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. उनसे कहानियां या खीर जो भी खाना है खा लो. They have been very progressive grandma and grandpas, I don't deny, but after a certain age it's impossible to tell them. Teach yourself history. Indian history has never been as backward as it is today. Like
Yeah.
women were never been suppressed in Vedas. तब रानी लक्ष्मीबाई नहीं निकलती भाई. Just try to understand a story. A UP, like UP has UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, not Chhattisgarh, like Jharkhand and Bihar has a lot of suppression of women. If that's true, then Jhansi ki Rani kahan se nikal rahi hai, boss? So there has a lot of distortion in the story down the face. We have pushed girls inside the house to protect them during a lot of war times, just to protect their dignity and respect. But that has got distorted. It's like वो टेलीफोन वाला जो गेम होता है ना, हम कान पे कान बोलते रहते हैं. हमने मैकेनिज्म बोला हुआ एंड में इज्म हो चुका होता है. वही हुआ है. All the problems like body shaming is a different thing. Body shaming is, I think, is just a कुछ लोगों को लगता है बड़े cool लगते हैं. But when it comes to suppressing men and women, even a lot of men get suppressed in the society. It's distorted stories been passed on and beliefs. Like I meet a lot of guys who are like, मैं बहुत पढ़ा लिखा हूँ. अच्छा, तो आपके what do you think about a woman doing work after wedding, after marriage? She should be dependent on the husband. हाँ तो ठीक है, खाना बनाना बनाना आता है कि नहीं आता है? मतलब she should be dependent on the husband, right?
Yeah.
तो
That is
खाना बनाना, कचड़ा, सब कुछ तुमको आना चाहिए, because मुझे तो कुछ आना ही नहीं है ना.
huh.
Getting it?
Definitely
So,
that's so true.
मतलब it's hilarious. Start studying
Yeah.
history. Just start studying history. Good history. From Indian writers, reputed Indian writers. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Surrealism or realism, which is more inspiring for you?
Surrealism.
Okay. Then we have the question: has the lockdown enabled you to channel your creativity better?
Yes, I have just started mixing motion graphics, photography, and surrealism together, and I'm happy I'm doing it.
Okay. We have a question from Ajit sir. Sometimes your looks are blessings in disguise. How would you justify?
Depends how you take it. If you are somebody who looks, let's call different from the people around you, be sarcastic. That's an escape. That's a good way to connect people.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Next up we have, so do you have any plan of action to get rid of our fabricated tradition?
My plan of action, I think I try to tell my parents from time to time things are not the way it is. They also take a little bit of their effort to understand. Like wearing this green, dark green lipstick is also very bizarre for them. ये
Yeah,
कौन सा lipstick है? And then it took few weeks for my mother to finally like, ah, it looks good. It looks
yeah.
good. So I have a jet black lipstick. So black lipstick. Like, yeah. And then after a few weeks, yeah, it looks good. Like, okay. But it's very tough for a lot of people to carry it. That's the problem.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
So again, आप पे depend करता है. आपने अगर if you find that I think it's not always possible for you to define yourself beautiful. कुछ लोगों की जरूरत होती है लाइफ में जो आपको थोड़ा बोल सके कि you look pretty.
Validation is always needed.
तो थोड़ा जरूरत है.
हाँ.
Don't depend on validation.
Yeah, definitely. Not to depend on it.
Yeah.
Okay. So my final question to you, ma'am, is I believe self-acceptance is the only way to deal with the negativity. Having said that, I would also like to mention over here that survivors have really a devastating story, but now they have been overcoming it really, really well. So, what would be your message to our survivors? I guess most of them are listening right now.
Okay, first of all, hats off. It's not easy to fight with social external demons as well as internal demons. Uh, I think they have message for us, then I have a message for them. I am literally nothing in front of them. All I can tell people who are following, who are going through right now is वैलिडेशन सबको जरूरत होती है थोड़ी बहुत हर चीज ट्राई करो ट्राई एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल बी इट अ करेला मिक्स विथ मैंगो और मैंगो मिक्स्ड विथ लौकी ट्राई एवरीथिंग the more you try the more you widen your horizons and then you understand things are not what it looks like. It's a very very slow process to teach people. If everybody is open-minded and accepting, then we wouldn't have problems in the world, to be honest. We are human beings. We have made a community and we have made a world around us which has hurdles, which has things we can pass through, it has rewards and it doesn't have rewards. We can't do anything. That's what we are as a human being. Self-love is a cure, but sometimes we do over self-love causes narcissism. Don't go to that level.
Yeah.
When too much of self-love happens, that I like myself, but don't go to the extent of I am the best. No, you
Yeah.
cannot be the best. Your brain is not like Einstein was good in physics, solving equations, seeing the world, seeing the space, whatever. But he was going through mathematical equations. उसको राजमा चावल बनाने बोलोगे तो वो बेचारा मतलब रो देगा. मतलब he could have made rajma chawal, no doubt. He could have analyzed the chemical, but the mindset and the intelligence you need to make rajma chawal, he doesn't have it. So nobody is best.
Yeah.
Keep it minimal. Like come out of your comfort zone. We don't do it. We really don't do it. The more we come out, like if we sit with survivors, we will get to know a lot from them. And you never know what kind of ideas will burst in your mind. So there is ideas everywhere, there is scope everywhere. I think we are just too happy to be settled in our comfort zone. The moment we come out, Like for example, I'm very shy to talk to people. For example, if somebody says
Yeah.
he will be shy or she will be shy as long as she's not. But sometimes some people need a little bit of push. That's where, like, chalo, let's drag her. And sometimes they get a limitless mindset and like, let's go and see. They will do mistakes once and twice. I have also done mistakes of talking to people. And then I analyzed, just experience everything. बाजार में जो भी सब्जियां घर में लाओ, पाव किलो करके एंड सब ट्राई मारो, and then come to
Yeah.
a decision what you like. Even the best of the best food critics may not like everything, but try to learn from them. They try everything. Their opinions about certain things is not negative. They keep it very neutral for somebody else to fill up that space. I may not like this dish, but if it exists, it's meant for someone. Like, one
Definitely.
more thing, if you exist, you're meant for something and you're meant for someone. A lot of people will say find your vision in life. Totally fine, you have not found it. Try to be happy. It's difficult, even I am finding it very difficult, but if you're happy, you can make a lot of things happen.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Okay, Alok sir is saying here, एक एक बात अपनी सी लगी, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपको सुनकर.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for joining in. We really
Thank
had a
you.
great session. It was a pleasure having you with us. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much
much
for
for letting
joining
me
in.
talk. Yeah. Bye.
Definitely. Okay, bye bye, ma'am. Okay, so all the people who are listening me right now, we have a really good news. Please just go on our Facebook page today at 7:15 and check out the live video. We really have an overwhelming news for all of you. For all of you who have supported us. So do check out our Facebook live at 7:15 today. I'm sure you will be so overwhelmed with the good news we're having today. So thank you so much for joining in today. This was it for today's session. Take care, and we'll see you at 7:15 today at Facebook. Thank you. Thank you for joining in.